But do
prediction.
you see like what do you see us at the end of 2026 with Bitcoin, silver, gold? Those three kind of give me.
I was to give a USD price, my automatic assumption would be double to triple to what they are now, just based upon metals momentum and everything else. And then knowing that QE is coming, new Fed chair, very accommodative,
Yep.
overly accommodative,
Over. Yep.
knowing that this administration wants to use digital assets as a measuring tool of prosperity
Mm-hmm.
for our country, I can
Mm-hmm.
see Bitcoin definitely closer to 200,000, if not
Mm-hmm.
somewhere around there, just because once everything is in full control and they given the Clarity Act, once that comes, that's going to definitely allow FOMO of not want to miss out, driving prices up. So let's just say 200,000 Bitcoin on the low end, and then gold and silver. I don't know. Let's just say gold 6,000. I'll say gold. I could say something stupid. I'll just say gold 8,000, silver $300. Like was it what Bank of America said? That's one of the Bank of America analysts said $300 or something
Uh,
like that. All right.
okay.
So just keep it at that.
So
But
I would say, ironically enough, you're a little bit more bullish on the price of Bitcoin than crypto blood. I don't know what's going on lately. What the hell? What is a My new name is gonna be Boolean Blood in a minute. I guess I'm just gonna.
oh, dude.
I give Bitcoin about $1.50, $1.60 by the end of the year. But
With
with
all
a
the
major,
QE stuff, with all the QE that's coming,
yeah,
supposedly.
the reason why is because I think we still got to see that big correction.
Mm,
So I think
mm,
Michael's strategy is going to ruin the price of Bitcoin between now and the end of the year, but the
mm,
bounce back is going to be significant. So I think we could see a drawdown another 50 to 60% in Bitcoin,
mhm.
and then from those lows rally to 150, at least past all time highs a little bit. That's where I see with Bitcoin.
Right. Oh, I do
Gold,
see severe. We're going to have a severe global event, primarily centered around the debt or just the overall, something breaking. There's all types of things that can break in the banking structure, which
right?
will it's going to be short lived though. It's going to be so short lived to where like the surge out of that will be something that we've never witnessed with our eyes, mimicking. Was it March the 14 days solar spread? In March, everything drops. The oil went negative, but then the bounce
Yeah.
up was like woo, and that was
What was
that was a
yeah,
week or
exactly
two type of bounce. What we're
right?
gonna see next, it might be 3 4 days because this administration can't have that on his resume. You know what I'm saying? So they're gonna come out with 3 or 4 different packages. The Save America Act, Recover America Act. The market's gonna go
Trump
shoo.
gonna look like Oprah, man. You get a loan, you get a loan, you get a bailout, you get an act, you get an act. Yeah, I feel you, bro. So
Oh man.
I think gold by the end of 2026 should be around. I'm feeling your number 6,000 ish.
Mhm.
I'm feeling that. I think
Mhm.
that's about right too.
Mhm.
Silver, on the other hand, I
Gonna,
think is
gonna close that.
near
Gonna close that
five.
ratio.
Yeah, I'm thinking 5, 600, five, 4, 5, 600, somewhere around there.
Woo, baby, that's
Yeah,
a lot higher than I would say. But hey, I ain't mad because that's just within this year. I'm
just
thinking
in this
about like
year.
as
Yeah.
we get through to next year and years beyond that, because of what gold and silver represent to humanity. I'm
Mm.
talking about humanity in reference to the periodic table. We're just talking about gold and silver.
Yes.
Platinum,
Right.
palladium, rhodium,
Idiom.
idiom,
Correct.
idiom,
All those.
yamamium, all
Mm-hmm.
of idioms and idioms, they going through the roof because they're in the
Yeah.
earth. We need that.
Mm-hmm.
And so we're
Mm-hmm.
pricing in dollar terms. So there's no ceiling to how high they can go. So 300 would be nice. But then again, like, that's the thing. Like, that still don't mean you got to get rid of it because I look at silver in particular as liquidity for the average Joe and Jane after the reset because you're gonna need something tangible. You're not going to want to use a CBDC or stablecoin, whatever they're going to have the primary medium. So you're going to want something to rebuild yourself with. It's going to be tangible for sure. It should be tangible, but that's just me.
There you go.